新年快乐!
This year is a year of the horse, 马年. Just like every year, we're going to teach you some Lunar New Year auspicious phrases.
We are going to help you get more 红包钱, red envelope money. So in this video, we are going to teach you 5 Year of the Horse auspicious phrases that will impress your Chinese-speaking friends or elders.
First, of course, we have the phrases everyone says every year. 新年快乐,恭喜发财.
Of course, we want to wish people a Happy New Year and to make lots of money. I mean, what's more auspicious than making lots of money? You will see this as a central theme throughout all of our videos each year at Lunar New Year.
Next is a phrase where a character changes according to the zodiac animal each year. 祝你马年行大运.
So just an example, if it was, Year of the Dragon, you would say 祝你
龙年行大运.
So you can replace this and you can keep this phrase every year. So again, once more for the Year of the Horse.
马年行大运.
Remember, this is one of those phrases that you can use easily and naturally in any social situation. So Anna, give me some social situations.
When you go to 7-Eleven and you talk to the 店员.
You can say, 马年行大运, 新年快乐, 新年快乐,
恭喜发财, 恭喜发财,
恭喜 taxi driver.
恭喜发财.
Okay, so you see your neighbors, you say,
恭喜发财, 马年行大运, 新年快乐.
So these phrases you can literally say to anyone and everyone during the Lunar New Year period.
Now let's move on to our 5 special Year of the Horse auspicious phrases. The first one is 马到成功.
When the horse arrives, success arrives with it. And the second one is
一马当先.
Now this is really to wish someone to be like the leading horse. You are far ahead of everyone else and coming in on first place. So we not only like money, but we like to win. So it's really great for wishing someone success in their career or their studies. So maybe you have a cousin who's studying, for their masters. You can say, 祝你一马当先. Or maybe your other cousin, many cousins at Lunar New Year, your other cousin has got a new job, you would say.
一马当先.
But these 2 phrases, 一马当先, 马到成功, can be used in daily life.
Saying them feels a bit more playful and intentional for the Year of the Horse.
Yeah, so, again, the phrases like 新年快乐,恭喜发财, 马年行大运, generic.
对.
And then if you want to be more horse specific, 马到成功, 一马当先. But it does feel like you're kind of like, cueing your neighbor. Be like, I know some horse-related phrases this year. Now, if it's a very relaxed gathering, warm family atmosphere, or, cheerful wishes amongst close friends,
you can use the next 2 phrases. The first one is 马上有钱.
Here, 马上, literally, if you look at the characters, means on horseback, but really, 马上 means
right away.
Immediately, right? So immediately have money. On horseback, have money. I love these annual puns. They're great. They're so great, right?
Who doesn't love money?
Exactly. Now, if you want to wish someone, okay, we're going to have a bit of fun here. So we're going to get a bit creative, right? So if you want to wish someone a Year of the Horse, that they get a pay raise, you would say?
马上加薪.
Okay, you're getting the idea, right? So if you want to wish them good health,
马上健康.
if you want them to buy a house,
马上有房.
you want them to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend,
马上脱单.
So there are so many ones that you can come up with this year. We want to see some in the comments. Come on, let's start this game. Now, Iona, every year there's usually one with like a pun, there's some kind of like English or some kind of funny thing. So these we're going into like non-traditional ones. What's this year's pun?
马你多多.
哪个马,哪个你?
Money.
So stupid. Again, who doesn't want more money, right? We really love money and we like to talk about it all the time. And actually there's a saying.
钱不是万能的，但没有钱就万万不能.
Money isn't everything, but without money, you ain't got nothing. We want to challenge you to learn this difficult one. So ready? I'm just going to say it slowly, and we're going to have the translation down here as we go.
Okay.
Go.
策马扬鞭迎春到， 马驰千里贺新年。
Spurring the horse and raising the whip, spring arrives. The horse gallops, ka-cha, 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 1,000 miles to celebrate the new year.
Say it out loud and your red envelope 红包钱 gets extra $1,000.
For sure, for sure. But this expression, or sorry, these couplets aren't just for greetings. You can also use them to write
春联
Yep, and we have previously made a video teaching you how to write 春联, Spring Festival couplets. First, use the free Lunar New Year deck on our Skritter app to practice writing Chinese characters, and then watch our video to know how to write them in the 春联.
And if you want a deeper understanding of Chinese calligraphy, please make sure to check it out.
And of course, finally, we would like to wish you a fantastic Year of the Horse. Please subscribe to our channel. It will really help with our KPI this year. You know, we want to make lots of money.
Money 多多
Yes, we want to have promotions.
马上加薪
And we want this channel to do so good. 一马当先 in the Year of the Horse. 我们祝大家新年快乐，
下次见，拜拜。
身体健康，万事如意，拜拜。